Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. So this was conditional formatting, and now we want to create a little form, or you can say maybe you don't want to see all this data, and you want to enter some name and want to see its sales and whether it is a hiring or firing person. So we'll be doing this sales by sales person selection box. Let's do this normal, bold, underline, and select sales person, sales by person. In here, we want to insert a person here. For example, I'll copy this person here and paste here. And if we want to look up this person in this list to get sales from this column in here, then what we can do? Well, there are many ways to do the lookup. This is like if someone types in a person name, then he'll get the data required. Let's do this like this. We'll just get rid of grid lines. This is input, so we'll color this something like input center, and this will be calculation in dollars, and all of this will be center. Well, technically it should be this copied here. I want to color this black, and 5%, well, this is false, so it's a no. You need this number here automatically, and to do this we can use many ways. First and most common way to do this is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP equal VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. We want to look this value. Table array is this, or you can increase this just in case you add more values. And column index number. This is column 1, column A. This is column 2, column B. We want to get the output from column 2. So we'll type 2, and for exact lookup, we'll use 0 and enter. Now this is looking the correct number. Let's say we change this to this, then the number is 283,400. Now, what if you don't want to use VLOOKUP? Because VLOOKUP involve the number 2 or second column here. Let's say we insert another column here for something, whatever it is, a new data, and this will become column 3, but it will be grabbing numbers from column 2. For this reason, we can use another more advanced formula, which is XLOOKUP. Lookup value again is same. Lookup array is this. We are looking this name in this column, and return array is this. We want to get the respective value from this column. Bracket close, enter. Now let's say we want to change this number to double check, and this is 565,900. But this XLOOKUP has a problem. This is only available in the Office 365 online version of Microsoft. What if you are not using this version? Then there is another formula which is a bit complex, but it is ultimate solution to this problem. Because, for example, if you want to share this file with someone and that person is opening this file is maybe in Office 2016, then this box here will give error because that Excel is not being able to use XLOOKUP. For in that case, we'll use index match. Index array is the output you want, which is this, then comma. Now there is another formula which is match. Lookup value is this, lookup array is this, then match type is 0, exact match, bracket close, and then bracket close for index. Again, a lookup is a column which is in match, and G5 is the box you want to look up, and index in index we'll type the output we want and press enter. It's still the same, and let's say we want copy here and double check, and this is fine. Now we can use the same formula, paste here, paste as formula. Sorry, we can copy here and paste as formula, or we can copy this and paste as text. Now this is looking in the same direction. Now we want output as this. Now fire person is false, which means no. Let's say we want to type no instead of false, so we'll add another formula. If the answer is true, then we want a yes, otherwise no. Now it is saying fire person no. Let's say we check for this person, then it is yes. This was the lookup formula. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.